and very important. All the help that was given today were people who are volunteers who've been working in the kitchen since the moment they walked in the door, and they are still in the kitchen. They deserve the biggest round of applause. So let's congratulate and thank you to all the volunteers who work in the kitchen. Can I please have all the volunteers who work in the kitchen helping serving the food to please line up here in the front? Please, everybody, please line up. We want to really thank you for beautiful service that you gave to everybody. Pushpa Ben, Meena Ben, please everybody come forward. Meena Ben, and all the volunteers who helped serve the food and 2 tables, please come here in the front. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please put your hands together for this group of people who worked very hard in the kitchen to make sure everything went smoothly.